This project begins in the early morning, where the house stands complete at the brickwork stage. As the day moves into midday, the brickwork becomes clearer under bright light in the evening. The same brick structure appears calm and well-defined. At night, the house remains firm and confident. Morning returns, and the brickwork stands complete and ready for transformation. Rain falls gently over the structure. Testing its durability, snow follows in the morning, covering the site with calm silence as evening comes with snow. The house reflects stability and protection. At night, snow rests quietly around the building. Now the project enters the plaster stage in the morning. Snow returns in the evening, resting on the plastered surfaces. Fog surrounds the building in the morning, creating a soft modern atmosphere. The structure is strong, well-shaped, and carefully constructed, showing the foundation of a modern vision. The scale, balance, and form of the house are now fully visible, reflecting precision and planning. The soft light highlights the depth and symmetry of the building. Even in darkness, the brickwork shows strength, endurance, and long-term purpose. This marks the final moment before the next stage begins. The house remains steady, proving quality workmanship in all conditions. The structure remains strong, showing resilience against harsh weather. This design is built to endure every season. The structure stands unmoved. Confident and reliable, walls begin to look smooth, refined, and more complete. The house transitions from raw structure to elegant form. Now we enter the finishing stage in the morning. This is where vision becomes reality. During the day, finishing materials reveal true quality. Every detail is carefully executed for comfort and luxury. In the evening, the finished house feels warm and welcoming. Design and function come together perfectly. At night, the finished home stands proudly, strong, elegant, and ready for life inside. Daylight returns, revealing the completed home once again. Everything works together in harmony. Fog adds a cinematic mood to the finished structure. The design remains bold and timeless.